Dear students of class 11 and 12, how are you? I hope that you are fine. I am also fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss a mathematical problem of chapter 2nd, Statistics first paper. Let us start our class. Dear students, there is a problem. I will read the problem. The following information represent the daily wages in Dhaka of 25 employees. 2 Dhaka, 5 Dhaka, 8 Dhaka, 10 Dhaka, 6 Dhaka, 15 Dhaka, 20 Dhaka, 25 Dhaka, 18 Dhaka, 22 Dhaka, 7 Dhaka, 3 Dhaka, 24 Dhaka, 30 Dhaka, 13 টাকা, 15 টাকা, 10 টাকা, 5 টাকা, 15 টাকা, 5 টাকা, 10 টাকা, 15 টাকা, 20 টাকা, 10 টাকা and 5 টাকা. Dear students, we have to find out the construct frequency distribution in exclusive method by suitable class interval, and from the frequency distribution find mid value, cumulative frequency, frequency density, relative frequency and percentage of class. Dear students, previous lecture I discussed the basic knowledge from this item, and now I have to discuss a mathematical and present in these topics. Okay, dear students, now I have to find the construct a frequency distribution table by in exclusive method by suitable class interval. Okay, at first we have to find the lower limit of the data. Here lower value, lowest value equal to 2 and highest value equal to 30. Now we have to know that the range equal to upper value, highest value minus lowest value. We have to know, that means 28. Let us suppose class interval. Let us suppose class interval equal to interval equal to 5. So the class equal to, we have to know class interval divided by class range divided by class interval equal to 5.6, that means 6. The number of class is 6. Okay, beginning value, our lowest value is 2. Now we have to find the class. Beginning value is 0, starting value 0. We have to decide, and class interval 5. Okay, now we construct the class interval table for frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table, but table for necessary calculation, we have to find the construct a table for necessary calculation. we have to find all the item uh, um, uh, structure. We have to calculate. At first class, we have to decide starting value is 0 and class interval 0 to 5. We have to know that uh, in this class the upper value is 5 and next class is lower value is 5, equal 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Okay, now we have to find tally mark. Tally, the value is 2. Here marks the tally 1. 0 to 5 plus the tally marks 2. Next 5, next class. Here 0 to 4 the number of tally is here and 5 is next class. 8 this class tally. 10 next class tally marks. 6 this class. 15 this class. 20, 20, 25, 25, 18, 18, 18, 22, 22, 7, 7, 3, 3, 24, 24, 30, 30, 13, 13, 15, 15, 10, 10, 5, 5, 15, 15, 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5. Okay, the total tally marks is equal to frequency. Frequency the 0 to 5 plus tally marks is 2, that frequency is 2. 7, 5, 5, 4 and 2. The total frequency is equal to n equal to 25. Okay, dear students, now we have to find the mid value of the class. We have to know mid value equal to upper value of the class, plus lower value of the class divided by 2. That means 0 plus 5 divided by 2, 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that means 2.5. Mid value 2.5. Next mid value is, we have to know the class interval 5. So next we have to find out 5 plus 10 divided by 2, 7.5. And in the other process is serially class limit of the at this value, that 7.5, 7 plus 5, 7.5 plus 5, 12.5, 12.5 plus 5, 17.5, 22.5 and 27.5. Okay. Okay, now we have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means this frequency and the previous class frequency of sum total. Cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency. That means 2, next 2 plus next class frequency 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 4, 23 and 23 plus 2, that's 25. Okay dear students, we have to know that frequency, mid value, cumulative frequency. Now we have to find the frequency density. We know the frequency density is frequency of a certain class divided by class interval. We have to know that frequency density. Frequency density, 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 frequency density. Frequency density is the ratio of frequency of a class, certain class, divided by class interval. That means this class frequency density equal to 2 divided by class interval 5 equal to 0.4. 5 to 10 class frequency is equal to 7 by 5 equal to 1.4. Okay. Next class frequency density 5 by 5 equal to 1. Next 5 by 5 equal to 1. Next 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. Next 2 by 5 equal to 0.4. Okay, dear students, you have to understand. Now we have to find the relative frequency. Relative frequency is the ratio of frequency of a certain class divided by total frequency. Okay, relative frequency, relative frequency. Zero to 5, first class relative frequency is total frequency of a certain class 2 divided by total frequency 25. This is the relative frequency of the class 0 to 5 or 0.08. Okay. Next 7 by 25 equal to, you have to find the calculation by using the calculator. 5 divided by 25, 5 divided by 25, 4 divided by 25 and plus 2 divided by 25. Okay, dear students, now we have to find the percentage of a class. Percentage of a class. Percentage of a class. Percentage of a class. Dear students, just relative frequency, the value of relative frequency. At first, find out the value of relative frequency, then multiple by 100. That means frequency of a class divided by total frequency into 100. This is called the percentage of a class. The value is 8%. Okay. Next, 7 by 25 into 100. The percentage of a class of frequency is 28%. 5 by 25 into 100, 20%. 5 by 25 into 100, 20%. 4 by 25 into 100, 16%. 2 by 25 into 100, 8%. This is the calculation value of the percentage of a class. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the problem. Dear students, you have faced any problem in this math, you watch the video again and again. And okay, dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.